is earthing? Earthing is the process of instant discharge of electrical energy into the earth through a low resistance wire. These are some of the important necessities of earthing, such as protection of the equipments, protection of large buildings and all the machines fed from overhead lines against lightning. Earthing is safe and the best method of offering safety for the user to avoid the risk of fire in electrical installation systems. These are some of the types of earthing: strip and wire earthing, rod earthing, pipe earthing, plain earthing and coil earthing. Now let's discuss about the preparation of plate earthing. First of all, a pit is dug about 20 to 30 feet in the ground. Depth and width depends on the nature and structure of the ground. Sufficient quantity of water is sprinkled in the bottom and surrounding walls to become wet. Bottom layer of the pit is filled up by the mixture of black soft soil and the charcoal piece. An appropriate copper plate is buried in the pit in vertical position. Earth lead is tightened through nut bolts from an earth plate. A layer of powdered charcoal and lime mixture is filled into the earth plate. This action makes better continuity in the earth and also helps to maintain the moisture condition. A layer of salt is filled around the earth plate. The purpose of salt is to keep the soil wet permanently. The earth lead is collected in a metallic pipe from the earth plate. Galvanized iron pipe is driven for watering. The pit is fitted with alternate layers of charcoal and salt. A funnel arrangement is fixed for watering. This is how a plate earthing is constructed. Now we shall discuss about preparation of pipe earthing. A pit is dug about 20 to 30 feet in the ground. Depth and width depends on the nature and structure of the ground. Sufficient quantity of water is sprinkled in the bottom and surrounding walls to become wet. Bottom layer of the pit is filled up with a mixture of black soft soil and charcoal pieces. In this system, earthing pipe of copper or copper bonded earthing pipe is driven vertically. These pipes have rolled thread at each end. A layer of powdered charcoal and a lime mixture is filled around the earth plate. A layer of salt is filled around the earth plate. In order to increase the embedded length and electrode under the ground, more than one pipe section are hammered one above the other. These are made from copper alloy and counter bolt to enclose threads. Earth lead is tightened to nut bolts from an earth pipe. And the machineries are constructed. A funnel arrangement is fixed in these scales also for watering. This is how a pipe earthing is constructed.